Hi everyone, welcome to my maths classes. As we are going to discuss a polynomials topic in class 10th, so we are going to discuss in the polynomials exercise 3.4. The solutions of exercise 3.4 in that second bit. First section already we have discussed in division algorithm by polynomials in part 3. So that I have started from second section. Are you ready? Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. So here t square minus 3 is the first polynomial. 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 is the second polynomial. So how to decide it is a factor or not? For example, whether 6 is a factor of 24 or not? How can you decide? By division. Yes. So 6 divides 24 exactly, 6 4 is 24. Similarly, if we divide first polynomial and if you divide second polynomial by first polynomial, if you get remainder 0, then it is a factor, or else it is not a factor. Okay. Now see procedure. How to do division process already we discussed. Of course, we are discussing here some more steps. How to divide in return we are discussing. See, to obtain the first term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the dividend. Highest term of the dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. See, my dear children. Before writing in division form like this, you arrange the given polynomials in decreasing order of their degree. How to arrange? Decreasing order of their degree. Then it becomes easy. For suppose if any terms are missing, you should keep 0 into that particular term. Degree of that particular term you should keep. Like for example, here 3t2 cube is missed. 3t cube is missed. So we can write it as 0 into t cube like that. Okay. Now we already arranged it. Now we have got to go through the procedure. See, what is the first term of the divided? 2t power 4. 2 into t power 4 by what is the first term of the divisor? See, the term must be having highest degree of the term divisor. Highest degree term is t square. So 2t4 by t square gives us 2t square. So here 2t square is the first term of the quotient. Now multiply t square minus 3 by 2t square. According to distributive property it becomes t square into 2t square. 2t power 4 minus 3 into 2t square minus 60 square. Minus 60 square, right? Minus 60 square downside of 2 square because of these two are like terms. Middle term not there, so t cube term, so keep it as 0. Now continue the division process. How? What is the division process? Subtracting. Signs will change, gets cancelled. 3 cube minus 2t square, we have to cancel this sign, plus 6t square. Sum is plus 4t square. Bring down next term. Or if possible, we can bring two terms also, no problem. So it is a new dividend. What is the first term of the new dividend? 3t cube. Is it having highest degree or not? See, now to obtain the second term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the new dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. So 3t cube by t square. 3t cube by t square gives us 3t. Am I correct or not? So 3t is the plus 3t is the second term of the quotient. Now 3t into t square, 3t cube minus 3 into 3t minus 9t. Middle term take 0. Say now if you want you can bring down or else no need. So but minus 90 must be bring. Now subtract. Signs will change. Cancel. 4t square, cancel. Now bring down next term, that is minus 12. It is a new dividend. What are these arranged in decreasing order or not of their degree? Yes. What is the highest degree term in this? 4t square. What is the first term of the divisor? T square. So 4t square by t square gets cancelled 4. So it becomes plus 4. Now multiply t square minus 3 by 4, then it becomes 4t square minus 12 according to distributive property. Now subtract, we have to continue the division process. All gets cancelled. What is the remainder here? 0. Like this you should continue the division process till we get the remainder whose degree is less than the divisor, or we should get a remainder 0, whether we got remainder 0 or not. So division process has been completed. Now in this case whether we get remainder 0 or not, we got. So that what can you decide here? T square minus 3 divides the given polynomial exactly, so that T square minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Is it clear? So like this we have to solve the problems which are in this exercise. Now let us solve second problem in this same question, that is, so here divisor is x square plus 3x plus 1 and the dividend is 3 into x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. All the terms of the degree is present or not? See, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So no need to worry in this case. Okay. And also in the divisor also here 2, 1, 0. Now same process we have to proceed like in previous problem. So what is the first term of the dividend? 3 into x power 4 by x square. 3 into x power 4 by x square gives us 3x square. Is it? So 3x square is the first term of the quotient. Now multiply all divisor by 3x square. Then we get x square into 3x square, 3 into x power 4 plus 3x into 3x square plus 9x cube plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. Okay. Now division process we have to continue, that is subtraction. Signs will change and plus 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 gets cancelled, plus 5x cube minus 9x cube minus 4x cube minus 10x square, bring down next term plus 2x. Okay. For my convenience I am erasing. What is the new dividend? What is the first term of the new dividend? Minus 4x cube by what is the first term of the divisor of highest degree term in this divisor? X square. So if we simplify we get to minus 4x. Is it or not? X cube by x square gives us second last of exponents x. A power n by a power n. X power 3 minus 2. So minus 4x is the second term of the quotient. Now multiply whole divisor by that minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square. Minus 4x cube plus 3x into minus 4x plus into minus minus 3 4 the 12 x into x square plus into minus minus 1 into 4x. Now division process, changing signs. Okay, all are plus gets cancelled. Minus 10x square plus 12x square. These two are like terms. Minus 10 plus 12 gives us 2 plus 2x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 6x. Bring down next term, that is plus 2. Okay. Now erasing rough work. Now what is the first term of the dividend? That is highest degree term 2x square by what is the highest degree term of the divisor? X square. So 2x square by x square gives us 2. So plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. So plus 2 is the third term of the quotient. Now multiply whole divisor by 2. Then it becomes 2 into x square. 2x square plus 3x into 2 plus 6x plus 2 into plus 1 plus 2. So same we got, yes. So if you continue the process, these all terms gets cancelled, remainder 0. So here also x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial since the remainder is 0. Is it like this? You have to continue division process. Whether it is easy or not? Very easy. Let us solve third problem. Now see third question in the same section, that is x cube minus 3x plus 1 is a divisor. X power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 is a dividend. See, what is the degree of the divisor here? 3. What is the degree of the dividend? 5. See whether all the terms present in this or not. No, here degree 4 term is missing. In divisor degree 2 term is missing. Yes, but no need to worry about this one divisor. So but in the case of dividend you have to arrange in the degree in descending order. So the process is same. So that I have arranged the process. So divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1. And dividend is x to the power 5. Next fourth degree term must be present in this na. So that here is not given. So that I am taking it as 0 into x power 4. Okay. Since 0 into something is 0. Next term minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now start the division process as earlier how we have done like that. Okay. Now we are arranging degree respectively their order in their order. Now what is the highest degree of this dividend? Highest degree term, that is x to the power of 5 by what is the highest degree term of the divisor, x cube. So we get x square as first term of the quotient. Now multiply this divisor by x square, that is x cube minus 3x plus 1 into x square. So x square into x cube, x to the power of 5 minus 3x into x cube minus 3x cube plus 1 into x square plus x square. So if the term is missing, write 0 here itself. No problem. Now division process we have to continue, that is like general division we have to subtract the terms. Signs will change. Next, x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 5, 0. Anyway it is 0. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube minus x cube plus x square minus x square gets cancelled. Next bring down two terms at a time, no problem. Okay. Now it is a new dividend. What is the highest degree term of this new dividend? Minus x cube. What is the highest degree term of the divisor? Plus x cube. Divide it by, we get minus 1. Now minus 1 is the second term of the quotient. Yes. Now multiply whole divisor by minus 1. We get, by multiplying by 1 we get the same number. Is it? But here is minus 1, so signs will change. Let me change signs, that's it. So minus x cube plus 3x minus 1. Now division process, signs will change. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. These two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled, but plus 1 we get plus 2. So in this case is remainder 0? No. So is x cube minus 3x plus 1 a factor? No. Therefore we can write x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Is it clear? So like this we can solve number of problems by using this procedure. If they ask us to find the factors, in previous class I have given a shortcut method to that, but it is not given out in state syllabus and CBSE also. So in board exam you have to follow this procedure. In competitive exams you can follow that procedure, no issue. But dear children, I did not ask even one time also, but now I am asking that like my videos and share to your friends. And please subscribe. If you have any queries or if you want to give suggestions to me, you can text in the comments box. I hope you are all of you following my classes. Thank you.